Hello, welcome. My name is David. It's Samuel. If you're just joining me for the first time, I say welcome. My channel is all about creating t-shirt designs that make you passive income. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, stick around, and learn to create these designs yourself instead of paying me to design it for you. I teach you how to design it for yourself. That is learning how to fish your own self. So I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to go straight right onto this design, and I'm going to create something unique, straight typography t-shirt, nothing complicated. So I'm going to click on create a design. Custom dimension is 4500 by 5500. That's the standard for Match by Amazon. So please make sure you use that dimension if you don't want to get errors when you upload your designs. So I'm going to go straight right onto this one. This one is going to be super easy. It's going to be super easy if you ask me. So I'll just bring in my box. I'll go to element. All right. So I'll go to element and bring in shapes. So let's do shapes. All right. So go to shapes, see all for the shapes. And we're just going to scroll to see the frame. I need a frame for this one. Right. So I'll just scroll through till I get the frame. Okay. This is the frame I want. So I'll just click on that. Do I want it blue? Not really. So I'll turn that to black. Okay. I'll turn that to black. Right. So now that I have that, I can go over with my design. So I want to make it longer a bit. So I'm just going to move my cursor to this edge, press on my left mouse click button, drag my mouse downwards. Okay. It's more like a frame now. So I can move it about just like so. So for this one, as you can see, it's set at the middle of the Canva. So now I'll just go over to my text. All right. So I want to use a bold text for this one. So I'm going to use this text. I'm going to do God. Okay. And I'll make that bigger. So to do that, move your cursor to this circular head, press on the left mouse click button and move your mouse cursor about to when you get the desired size. Okay. So for this one, it's quite big. So I'll just reduce that so that it fits in properly like so. Okay. So now I have it well fitted onto that Canva. So now I'll just duplicate this. So to do that, press down your Alt key button on your keyboard, your left mouse click button as usual, and just move that down like so. So I'm just going to click on that. So I'm going to say over, sorry, it's going to be capital letter, over. All right. So I'm just going to reduce it again so that it fits onto my frame. I'll just reduce that. Okay. So as you can see, got over. So just make that bigger. All right. So you can see it's just on the frame where I want it to be. So please just follow me. Then if you see you want to move it to the right, just use your left and right key on your keyboard to just move it about the way you want it to be. So this one just says God over money. So you can decide to put the money box. You can decide to go to elements and search for money. All right. You can just search for money. And you're going to have some money signs if you want. You can have this if you want. You can just scroll and just choose one for yourself. You can just scroll, choose one for yourself. It's a lot. Canva gives you a lot to choose from. So I can decide to use this one. Okay. I can decide to use this one in this box like this. Make it bigger. Okay. So I can just decide to make it bigger. Like so. So it just says God over money. As simple as that, not a complicated design. So I can move this to the front if you want the E to show. So to do that, you just click on the over and press and bring it forward. Say bring front or bring forward. Bring forward will bring it forward once, bring front to bring it to the top of every other shape. So you can see it says God over money, but for me, I prefer my money to be in front. Okay, I prefer my money to be in front, so I'll just click on my money, right click, bring forward, right, like so. So you can see how easy it was for me to create this design. You can decide to change the colors to match your elements, which you see here, document element, which is this one you just brought in. So you can decide to change that about, right? You can decide to just change that about God over, okay, you can do God over money. As easy as ABC. Your design does not have to be complicated, and it didn't take us a lot of time to create this design for ourselves, just about 5 minutes for this design, and we are good to go. Then you just hit your download button. You can see you can download the transparent background because you're on free. If you want Canva Pro for yourself, check the link in the description. You get Canva Pro for yourself, then you can download without the white background. So I'm going to hit the download button. It's going to download for me. I'm going to save that, and that will be all for this design. As you can see, my download is coming in quick and fast. So once it's downloaded, you have your design and you're good to go. It would not have to take you a lot of time to create this design. If you ask me, and you have your design, if I click on it, you see the design come up. As simple as ABC. Passive income made easy from T-shirt design. To your right, you see a playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists, and I would see you on the next one. Stay blessed. One love from David.